Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Lainey. Today we're doing a very different video, something I've never actually done before, and that's gonna be my current wish list. I haven't bought anything new, that doesn't count from the thrift store, in a month, which might not seem like a big deal, but when you're constantly like thinking about clothes and trends and outfits and trying to come up with, new outfits so often, it can be really easy to shop. But I have made a wish list this is the past couple months, because every time I want something doesn't mean I buy it. Yeah, we just get to go through that list together. I hope you guys like this kind of video. I know a lot of you were saying you're sick of me talking about trends and stuff, so let's try to do this. I used to do a lot of hauls on my channel, and obviously I'm trying not to do that anymore, so we got wish lists. We're just trying to come up with different things. And obviously less hauls means so many outfits is a little bit harder. Before we get into this video though, I wanted to say thank you so much to Karma for sponsoring this video, and they sent a really cool PR package. And you guys know when I get PR packages or whatever, I freak out because I never get them. This one is insane looking, and there's going to be a way for you guys to win this also, which I was really happy about doing. Anytime I can give back to you guys, I am 100% down. So we'll open that a little bit later in the video, and I'll let you guys know how you can enter the giveaway to also win the little Easter egg prize and the things that are inside it. Okay, so my wish list is a little bit different. Do you guys like I just realized my shirt at the very top, it just says I hate my computer, and the bottom of it says all my enemies are inside it. And that's how I've been feeling recently. So the first thing on my wish list is actually like a thrifted thing or something I want to thrift, but I'll obviously put photos of what I mean. And especially when you make a wish list of things you want to thrift, you're not always positive when you're going to stumble upon them or if you ever will. Normally if I don't find it at the thrift store, I'll switch to eBay, Poshmark, or Depop, but I give myself a while to find things at the thrift. So the first thing I have are colored ballet flats. I just think little different colored shoes spicing up your outfit is so cute, especially in the summertime, to pair little ballet flats with, denim shorts and a t-shirt in a really casual way, or even a little sundress. I absolutely love. I always try to find photos of what I'm talking about, but sometimes they literally don't exist, or they do exist, but it's hours of me looking for them and I can never find them. Also with the colored ballet flats, I love a good ballet flat with a little bit of a kitten heel. I have a black pair that I thrifted and they're absolutely perfect, but I'd love to have them in a few different colors. So if I stumble upon that at the thrift store, you better bet I'm getting it. The next thing I have on my wish list is also something I just want to thrift, or again find from Depop, whatever, and that's super bright colored scarves to wear around your hair as a bandana. I think that's so cute, perfect for the summertime when you're having a bad hair day, and especially since I got highlights, I feel once they start growing out and I don't feel getting my hair done, those will be really, really nice. I'm just super into a ton of accessories, whether that's headbands, hats, sunglasses, jewelry, whatever. So I think super bright colored scarves will be really cute, and I don't have any, so yeah. And the scarves you can wear so many different ways. If you get one big enough, that you can literally tie it as the scarf top, which I still really like. I like tying it with the bow in the front instead of the back. I think it's more flattering on me. And then in your hair, around a pony tie, around a braid, on your purse, around your neck. So many different ways, so worth it. If you stumble across a scarf you like at the thrift, they're normally 99 cents. Always pick it up, you'll never regret it. Next thing is again from the thrift. I'm really into bright colored purses. You guys know I caved and bought the knockoff Le Cagole from EGO. That was last month. And I don't regret buying that bag. Literally don't regret buying that bag at all. It's the super pretty cobalt blue color. I've been wearing it all the time, and it's made me just want more bright colored bags. I have that little tag bag from Jacquemus that I've been wearing a lot. That's a bright green, and I think a pink bag or orange bag is definitely what I'm missing. Not enough that I want to go online and buy one, where if I come across it at the thrift, I'll definitely be picking it up, and I'm hoping I do. Something else I want to find at the thrift store, and I promise not all of them are thrift things, but I tend to just want things from the thrift more than online, so that's why my wish lists are a little bit different. Are pointed heels. I'm really obsessed with bright color pointed heels with like a stiletto heel. I think they just look so cute with, you know, like baggy jeans going out, or even like the cargo pants or the kind of like hiking pants that you can tie at the ankle. I think so cute with a pair of pointed toe heels. Especially wearing shoes like that, you can wear like a white t-shirt and jeans and then a pop of color shoe. Oh my god, so cute, so easy, and I'm not someone where they hurt my feet. I can go all night in a pair of heels and I'm totally okay, and that's worth it to me. So I definitely want to find some at the thrift store. I found a few cute pairs on Zara. I just think I'll find like a better, more original pair at the thrift and a higher quality pair, so I'm waiting for that. The next thing I have is pointed toe boots. I wanted to find these at the thrift and it wasn't happening. But I have a few pair of pointed toe boots that I want to find at the thrift. But I wanted to find a zebra pair with a skinny heel and, you know, a more pointed toe. And it was just a little bit too niche to find at the thrift store. So I actually found a pair on Poshmark. I ordered them. I still have them. Somebody wants to buy them. They say they're size 8. They're definitely a 7. So they didn't fit. They were so cute though. And then I was just so fed up that like I finally found a pair on Poshmark that I bought the ones off Zara. I've already worn these out. They're so cute. I wore them with an all denim outfit and it was adorable. I can't wait to start wearing these in the summertime with mini skirts or like denim shorts, or even like a plaid pair of like boxer shorts. Probably think it's gross, but it could work. I'm just really excited about these. I've been super into heels lately. I don't know, I'm just like bored of tennis shoes, I guess. I'm becoming a woman. But also at the thrift store, I want to find a pair of black knee-high pointed toe stiletto boots. My friend Amanda got a pair. She thrifted a pair in Florida, and I wore them nonstop in New York when we were together, and they made me realize how much I need a pair. I found a bunch on like Depop and Poshmark. I don't know, I don't like them enough to order them online, so I keep waiting to find one at the thrift. We'll see what happens. I have more stuff on my wish list. The next few things are things you can just like go buy online right now. But I really want to open this. So Karma sent me this little egg gift in celebration for Easter, obviously. The package is 3D printed out of environmentally friendly materials, which is really cool. Let's take off this first part. There's a postcard. Set your shopping mode to Karma. What's on your dream list? I didn't even know it said that. Actually, I didn't even know it said that. Sometimes stuff in my videos, you guys think I plan it, but I am not that conniving. I had no idea this was about your dream list, and we're talking about my wish list right now. I swear on my life. I swear on Ernie's life. So it says, everything on trend, missed the last pair, no sweat. We'll let you know when it's back in stock. One of my favorite features on Karma. Add to Easter's here wish list. Everything on sale. My heart is saying yes, but my rent check is saying not so fast. Why we make wish lists. Set a price drop alert. Feeling lucky. We're finding the perfect coupon for you. Go to karmanow.com and it's yours. Am I good at reading? Should I be a teacher? Let's open this. I'm really excited. Oh, it's so cute. That is so cute. Here's the first little one. These are so cute. Oh my god, I'm so gonna reuse these for my cousin's Easter presents. What? Wait, this stuff's kind of bougie. What? So the first things are 2 little Joe Malone colognes. That is so freaking cool. Oh my god. If you guys watch my channel, you know I don't get PR, so this is like exciting for me, and I know how excited you guys would be if you open this. I'll leave all the instructions on how to enter the giveaway in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. Next little egg! Ray-Bans. What? I'm confused. Hold up, you guys. What the heck? Oh my god. They're literally little folding Ray-Bans. Holy crap, this is bougie. A freaking pair of Ray-Ban sunglasses you guys can win. Aw, wait, these are cute. I love the like ombre color. I did not think these would fit my head well. I have a big head. These are cute. Okay, and that's so fun. Look how cute that is. And they go in this teeny tiny case. Oh my gosh. This doesn't feel like Easter, this feels like Christmas. Is this a Longchamp bag? What? Oh my god, it's like a little wait, this is so cute. It's literally a tiny like mesh crossbody Longchamp bag. I'm saying that wrong. I'm not bougie, you guys. I'm not used to this. That's so precious. I really like that. Oh, I really, really like that. I like the kind of holy mesh things because honestly for the beach it's super nice because you don't like take sand home. That's so cute. Okay, last little egg. This is bougie as hell. Chanel. Ooh, a little red lip. Oh. Wrinkle cream. Because I'm an old lady. That is so freaking cool. That was it in the little boxes or eggs. But that was literally so cute. Oh my gosh. So if you guys want to check out Karma, obviously, check out the link in the description box. And there also will be all the rules to the giveaway in the description box. So you guys can win one of these little egg carton goodie eggs. But so cute. Thank you so much, Karma, for sponsoring this video and for taking care of me and for also taking care of you guys. So if you guys want to make your own wish list on Karma, it's super easy. Karma is a free Chrome extension and app. You can download Karma so it can help you in 3 ways. It automatically finds and applies the best coupon code for you at checkout. You can plan and organize your shopping by saving items that you like from thousands of stores on a shopping list. You'll get real-time price drop and back in stock notifications on the items you saved, and you'll earn cash back on purchases. Before we get into the rest of the video, make sure you click the link in the description box to get Karma in time to shop Easter sales. Karma, it's yours. Let's get into the rest of my wish list. Maybe you can add them to your Karma wish list. This one's controversial because I first said I didn't like them and then I just realized I should stop talking, like period, and sharing my opinions because I constantly am a big fat liar and I change my mind. I really like the Anuki moon boots. I also like the real moon boots, but there's something about the Anuki ones I like a little bit more. Annoying because the Anuki ones I think are around like $300 and the moon boot ones are like $150. I like the short version of the moon boot or the short Anukis. I don't even think Anuki has a taller version. I put it on my wish list because I was like, maybe they'll go on sale in like the summertime so I can get them for next winter and not pay the full price because obviously I don't need them now. So I'm definitely adding them to my Karma wish list so we can see if the price ever drops because I refuse to pay full price for those. But I just want a pair of winter boots basically, and they're the only ones that I think are cute. I want to be able to walk in the snow and not like ruin my Uggs or get my feet wet or whatever. So I want the Anuki boots. Yeah, we'll see if I end up getting them. And the last thing on my wish list is this like fuzzy Stussy sweater. I think is so cute. I love the cut of it, and I either want it in the green color or like this royal blue. I've been really liking, or like the cobalt blue. I've just been liking that color so much recently. So I was thinking of getting that, and I'm not somebody who frantically online shops late at night. I frantically online shop right when I wake up. I don't know what it is. That's my time where I'll just like buy things and I'm like, why did I do that? And I almost did that with this Stussy sweater because I was like, oh my god, it's in stock in my size. I should just get it because I know it's gonna go like get out of stock. And I was like, nope, like set a date in your calendar when you can buy it 1 month from now. I'm trying not to, you know, just see something and buy it. I wait a month. And if I still want it after a month or I'm still thinking about it, I'll let myself get it. It's already out of stock. So that's something else I'm gonna add to my Karma wish list to see when it comes back in stock. I do wish I just bought it. I'm still thinking about it. I wanted it. Whatever. It's still kind of expensive, so I have restraint. Boo. Boo restraint. Just buy things whenever you want. Honestly though, my biggest tip if you're trying to not buy as much or just not buy so frantically and like quickly, get rid of Amazon on your phone. That literally saves me so much money, and for a while I didn't have Amazon altogether, and then there's sometimes where I just rather buy on Amazon than like go to 18 different stores, I know. But having it on my computer where I can't just like right when I think about it I buy it, I have to, you know, like remember it and go to my desktop computer or like go online and buy it, has helped me a lot. And then also not having TikTok. TikTok was always the way that I would just like see something on TikTok and they convince me that I need it. Like some random person who I don't know anything about and they don't know anything about me, but they've convinced me I need a product or a clothing piece, and then I'll go and buy it because then I'm like, oh my god, everyone on TikTok saw this, it's gonna get sold out. So that saved me a lot of money and a lot of frantic purchases. Those are my tips. This wasn't a video for tips. But that's it. Thank you again to Karma for sponsoring this video. Remember to check out the description box to enter the giveaway for your little Easter basket. I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video, and let me know what you thought of it in the comments below. More lookbooks to come, I promise. I know that's what you guys want to see, but I'm working on something. Okay, I love you the absolute most, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye!